Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that is all about self-care and me time, and I wanted to just really show you guys what I've been doing now that I have 3 kids. One is a little under 2 months old and the other one is 19 months old, and then I have a 9-year-old. So finding me time is super important. Yeah, so I really love to squeeze in any me time that I can. It's so important to practice self-care because then you can be better to those that you take care of. I wanted to just show you guys some of the easy things that I do. It of course involves skincare. If you would like to learn how I take care of myself and what I do, then keep watching. Okay, so sometimes I wake up in the morning and it is my husband's day off, so I know that my children are going to be well taken care of, and I can take this little bit of time in the morning to really just reflect on myself and just take care of myself and do what I want to do. Maybe that's stay in bed a little bit longer, or what I always love to do is take an extra long shower, because most of the days throughout the week I am rushing and I'm just getting in, making sure I clean my body and get out. I'm not really in there and just enjoying it. So when I do that, I love to put the water on just right and apply a little bit of essential oils into my water so that the steam can really give me that aromatherapy. In the morning, I like to use something with a little bit of peppermint to really open me up. Or you can apply some lavender drops and really allow your body to get ready for an amazing sleep. Now that I've taken my shower and I've opened up my pores and I use those essential oils to really help open my pores, it's now time to go in with my Detox mud mask. So to apply this, you just want to use your fingertips, apply an even thin layer to cleanse face for about 5 to 15 minutes. I like to leave it on for 15 minutes because I like to take this time to do the things that I really love that I can't do normally. Looking through a magazine, just relaxing, drinking my coffee very slowly and not just drinking it, laying my head back and relaxing. Something that simple for me just helps to rejuvenate me and just make me feel a little bit more human. You want to use this product about 2 to 3 times a week. I really love the way my skin feels nice and detoxified after. It feels really fresh, not tight at all, just really clear and fresh, and I love that. So what I've been doing every day for the past month for my self-care practices have been applying these 2 products. These products are new to my routine. I've been doing them for about a month. This one goes on your cheekbones and everywhere below the face. And this one goes on your forehead and between the brows, just to help with those fine lines that you get here from frowning. I try not to frown too much. But regardless, age will catch up to you, so you want to make sure that you are targeting those areas. This one is so smooth. I really love this one a lot. I love the texture. I love how fast it absorbs into my skin. This one feels so velvety. It makes everything appear very smooth. For me, it's about not losing volume, not seeing any frown lines. So using a product that's going to help to ensure that I don't get lines in my face is so important to me. It should be important to you. So far, we're on track. One of the things I really love to do for some me time is to get a massage, and let's be serious, people. With a baby that's under 2 months old, it's really hard to find time to go to a massage therapist. So what better time to call in for help from your husband? I love to go in with my Exuviance Age Reverse Toning Neck Cream. Because he's going to be massaging this area, I feel like what a better time to make sure that you target any of the skin around your neck and chest area, because those parts of your body tend to need a lot of care as well, and people forget that that is still skin. So since you're going to be getting massage anyway, whip out your neck toning cream and get to work. I hope that these little tips helped you out, from just sprucing up a regular shower to relaxing with a mud mask on your face. I just hope that you just find time for yourself, practice self-care. All starts with skincare, and I've shown you guys quite a few videos using one of my favorite brands that I've had throughout this entire year. My skin is really happy that they found me. I hope you guys will check out the links below and find your favorite products. Thank you so much for watching again. Until my next video, stay beautiful.